Versavision by VersaCall is a revolutionary approach for production floor monitoring. One system supports multiple manufacturing monitoring applications from Andons to MES. The unique features of Versavision increases throughput, reduces downtime, eliminates waste, identifies inefficiencies, and increases overall productivity. Manufacturing technology advances will bring about continual improvement in production processes, resulting in better production throughput and superior product quality. Versavision is engineered to support the evolving manufacturing technology, embracing Industry 4.0 and IIoT. VersaCall's commitment with Versavision is to be continually in step with technology advances. We will always be updating the Versavision system to fulfill this commitment, so our customers are never out of date with technology and technology trends. VersaCall drives ongoing innovations with the Versavision system as to reduce production cost and improve product producibility. Some of the unique innovations include our data integrity software that ensures accurate data, live reports that provide complete visibility of the production floor, a quality excellence module, and visual management controls linked to immediate communications. Versavision provides complete production floor performance visibility. The Versavision system supports manual operation, legacy equipment in addition to state-of-the-art equipment, and gives you a complete view of every step of a manufacturing process, clearly identifying constraint points, inefficient operations, and their cost within a production process. The Versavision system has been engineered to support both your current and future manufacturing requirements. The Versavision Approach provides the technology, tools, ongoing system updates, and technical support that continually refines and improves production operations, focusing on ensuring that a production operation is delivering a product both today and in the future that is on time, within cost, and with excellent quality. With Versavision, you can measure the positive financial impact that the Versavision system provides, such as reduced downtime, on-time delivery, and reduced product cost. In addition to the tools that are part of the Versavision system, you receive technical support at no additional cost to continually improve your system. You have a monthly review with VersaCall applications engineers, in addition to a monthly performance profile. You also have an entire VersaCall support system to ensure that everything is always functioning at optimal efficiency. This includes a customer advocate, dedicated application engineer, customer care personnel, loaner stock, training support, and a repair depot. Your Versavision system is always going to be changing and improving to support your evolving production requirements. You have flexible options for the implementation with the Versavision system, on-premise, hybrid, or cloud. With Versavision, get a system that supports current and future technologies, a system that is innovative, complete, accountable, and efficient, a system that supports your production process monitoring from MES to Andon applications. Contact us today to learn how Versavision can benefit your company. Versavision, a revolutionary approach for production floor performance monitoring from Andons to MES.